How to loop video in CapCut. So if you want to loop video in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, now you need to go with the new project option. You can go with a new project or an existing project. So I'll be choosing new project. And what you need to do is you just need to simply copy the current image. So delete the ending and then copy the current image. And once you've copied, you need to again paste that image on the right side of that video. But if you don't get the copy and paste option, then you can simply go with plus and then again import the same video. Once you've imported, now you just need to simply select the second clip and then go with the reverse option. Tap on reverse. Once you tap on reverse, now the video has been reversed, right? So you just need to simply go and copy the first video again and then paste that to the last one, or again import the first video. And once you've imported, now if you play the video, then you'll be able to have the loop. So that's how you can loop your videos in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.